Hi everyone, this is Raf, your property specialist with MegaWorld at the Fort. And I will be taking you on a tour for our mock-up units for Uptown Modern, our newest pre-selling project dito sa BGC. Tara, check natin. Now, this is our newly opened showroom with mock-up units for Uptown Modern. And it is located sa ground floor ng Uptown Mall just beside ng H&M. Now, this is Uptown Modern, MegaWorld's newest pre-selling project and soon to be highest residential tower in Uptown Bonifacio BGC, ready by 2031. It will be the first condo in the area with 100% backup power, EV-ready parking stations, and feature smart home-ready units, fully controllable from your mobile devices. Check natin is our 40 square meter studio unit for Uptown Modern. Tara! So as you enter, pasok tayo, you'll be greeted by your very own washer-dryer na. Which is very unique kasi first time lang mag-offer ni MegaWorld ng washer-dryer sa kahit anong project na ginawa namin before here sa BGC. Okay. As we go on further, meron din tayong smart home system. Kasama na yan ever since nung Uptown Arts pa. So mas high-tech na yung mga condo natin ngayon, no? So pagpasok natin, meron din tayong isa pang deliverable, which is a built-in microwave. So first time lang din of MegaWorld na mag-offer ng built-in microwave na from Gorinay. So you can expect mas upgraded deliverables pa, especially since this project is for 2031. Now, pagpasok pa natin, we'll have our very own range hood from Gorinay din and a 2-zone induction cooktop from Gorinay din. So, as you can see na we'll be using top-of-the-line European brands for all of our deliverables. Now, pagdating sa faucet, malaki na faucet natin for just a studio unit. Normally, box type lang siya, very small, but for Uptown Modern, very spacious na yung ating sink, plus retractable faucet pa. Then, another thing na very unique is meron na kayong built-in refrigerator. So first time din by MegaWorld to offer a built-in na from Gorinay top-of-the-line European brands. Yan. As you go to the side, makikita natin yung fully finished na bathroom. So maganda na yung fixtures niya from tiles, plus yung different dito is hotel-like na yung shower niya. May door na. Normally wala siya. Normally, glass enclosure lang, so half lang. Tapos, kung napansin nyo, napakalaki ng sink nyo. Just for a studio unit, napakalaki ng sink nyo. And that's from different European brands pa. So you can expect na yung makukuha nyo for 2031, more upgraded, and mas finished pa. So as we enter further, dito na tayo sa living and dining space nyo. So, normally, our studio units is wala talagang space for living and dining. May space sa TV. Normally, wala siya. Normally, pagpasok mo, bedroom agad. But for Uptown Modern, magkakaroon kayo ng space for living and dining. Even, makakapag-place pa kayo ng TV. So, ano ba included dito sa space nyo for the living and dining area? So, kasama dyan is yung air conditioning unit. So, all of the units for Uptown Modern ay may kasama ng air conditioning unit, so you can expect na high quality na yan. Sobrang daming or sobrang laki ng potential neto to make it your own. Na syempre yung interiors, hindi pa talaga yan yung interiors when it comes to the bare unit. But you can just imagine parang pwede nyo siya gawing may theme, depending sa style nyo, preference nyo, Japanese style, and all of the different themes na pwede nyo gawin for your unit. Now, ito naman yung living space nyo. For the bedroom, tapos yun, napakalaki na ng bed nito for a studio unit. Tapos, pwede nyo siyang gawin na may divider para may pagka-privacy pa rin for your bed, no? And then, you'll have your very own modular closet na rin. Very modern, full glass na rin siya. Napansin nyo. Full glass siya, full glass. And then, very spacious siya. Very modern. And, in difference neto is, for this specific unit, 40 square meters is yung living space. But we do have other units na may balcony, around 45.5. Wala namang ganong difference when it comes to the living space, but meron lang balcony. This July, we're offering an exclusive promo for all studio units, 18,000 pesos a month, and an annual lump sum of 838,000 pesos every year for the next 6 years. No down payment, 0% interest, and you can reserve that unit for just 70,000 pesos. Let's check naman yung 57 square meter, 1-bedroom unit. Tara. So as you enter, meron kayong sariling foyer. So one thing na very unique din for Uptown Modern units, meron kang foyer, and then again, smart home system. And if magtataka kayo, meron na agad maid's room for a 57 square meter, 1-bedroom unit. Tapos, like I said earlier, lahat ng units dito may sarili ng washer and dryer. So, dito na yon, nakalagay na siya just for you. Tapos itong maid's room naman, it depends kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin. Pwedeng storage room, maid's room talaga, or even lalagyaran ng mga sheets, panlinis, different kinds of stuff. Plus, may sarili na rin siyang toilet and bath. Then paglabas natin, meron kayong open kitchen. And then meron ulit kayong sariling built-in refrigerator again from top-of-the-line European brands. So I can assure you na one of the best qualities yung marireceive nyo once you secure your unit dito sa Uptown Mall. Sa totoong unit mo, soft close yan. So wag kang mag-alala. So again, meron kayong built-in microwave oven for a 1-bedroom unit. Range hood, 2-zone induction cooktop, a wide sink, plus a retractable faucet. So, pag pasok natin more further, nandito na kayo sa living and dining space nyo. So, you can just imagine, you can edit this out. Ayun. You can edit this out depending on your flavor or preference. So, pwede nyong ibahin tong buong layout, pwede nyong ibahin tong tiles, yung flooring, yung ceiling, the lights. Pwede nyong ibahin yon depending on your preference talaga. So, that's what makes Uptown Modern or a pre-selling project para bang advantageous. Pwede nyong differentiate yung layout, pwede mo pang ipa-edit yung buong room. You can even make this a 2-bedroom unit depending sa'yo. So, pagpasok natin dito is meron kayong two-way entrance for your common toilet and bath. So, tara, pasok tayo. For this one naman, hotel-like talaga yung mga common toilet and bath natin for Uptown Modern. So, fully finished, one of the best finishes in BGC. Yan. And then, on the other side, dito naman yung ating bedroom. So, very spacious na yung ating bedroom. So, marami kayong pwedeng malagay, marami kayong pwedeng just full of imaginations for your unit here sa Uptown Modern. So, kunwari, actually maganda tong ginawa na mock-up unit ng Mega World since parang nabibigyan kanya na ng idea kung paano magiging or kung ano yung magiging itsura ng unit mo for a pre-selling condo, no? So, a lot of possibilities, opportunities if you get your unit today. So, one more thing, meron para tayong balcony for this 57 square meter studio unit. O yan. So, marami siyang possible views, but for a 57 square meter unit, based on the floor plan, pwedeng Makati Skyline, pwedeng Ortigas, pwedeng BGC. So, it will all depend on kung ano yung gusto nyo. High floor, mid floor, facing west, and different types of negotiable sa inyo. So, for this unit pala, we actually have a July promo na 26,000 pesos a month and an annual lump sum of 1.2 million pesos. And that's 6 years to pay, no down payment, 0% interest. So, for that payment plan, you only need 70,000 pesos to reserve a unit. So, if you want to learn more, message me for more information, and we can even schedule your personal visit here at the Uptown Mall showroom. Again, this is Raf, your property specialist at Megaworld at the Fort, and see you on the next video.